Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm thirsty too. Mommy, I want milk. I'm a milk. I'm milk.
Okay, so don't talk to me that way, first of all.
I said I'm milk. I can't get
Please.
Okay.
I want some milk.
He needs some milk. He needs some milk. I'm the kitty.
Look at your feet. Wow.
I need to go take a
Were you
tub.
watching Ben build stairs?
Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty good.
Is it? Okay,
Yeah,
well, let's
it's
go
pretty
look.
good. Yeah, let's go. It's good. Yeah, we know. We found it. I already know that.
It's so cute. Let me see. Look how it moves, please.
Is that the same bird?
Yeah.
Dude, it's the same bird. That's like a ripoff. For showing me. Ripoff! Why?
You guys are supposed to bring us joy and love, and all you bring us is...
Ripoffs.
Exactly. Do you want milk or what?
I'm going. Let's go, guys. Oh! Oh! Guys, don't. Guys! Over here! Over here! Over here! Alex, over here! Alex! Guys, over here! Ah!
Max!
No! Maxie! No! No!
Hold on, don't take
No!
him. Don't take him.
Maxie's leaving! Guys! Don't do that! Don't do that! Why did you come up this way? You have to go out this way.
I gotta get Max now.
Now you can't go this way, so this time we have to go like this.
Julian,
You look for
this way. Okay.
Walk on this, okay? And
Don't walk on that. Don't.
why is this thing so... I'm
Okay.
going on the other side. I'm coming off this side.
Okay, let's go.
Well, this one's easier, right?
It's my
Whose
hat.
coffee home is that? Where's the bunny?
Oh, the bunny? Is it bunny?
Yeah.
The bunny is right here.
Hey, can I put it right there?
Yes, you can, but you can't hold him.
The bunny's always right there.
Nice.
Does he bite?
No, he doesn't bite.
Hey,
Guys! Oh my gosh! Can I even... Don't do that! Don't do it! Don't do that.
Joey needs a haircut. Joey needs a haircut.
Yeah.
Joey.
Let's go.
Get your bunny.
Kippy!
The game.
Oh.
Whose bike is that?
Mine.
your red? How do you turn the light on?
What?
How do you turn the lights on?
Laptop.
How do you turn your light on? How do you turn your regular light on?
I don't know. Well, let's go. It's creepy. Let's go, guys. I can't even see.
What's going on? What's happening?
Your
Wait.
bunny's creepy.
No, he's
No.
not. No, she's not.
Is it a girl or a boy? I never knew that.
Yeah?
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty.
Let's all get milk.
Yeah, can I have milk?
We need
Well, her
some
mom
milk.
said water.
That's sink water.
It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that.
It's like
You
water.
drink sink water.
Really?
When you drink out of my water bottles, it's all sink water. No, your hands are worse than sink water.
I need to go.
Aiden, your hands are worse than sink water right
Yes, they're gross.
now. And your feet.
Yes.
My feet is even worse than my hands.
Oh, make sure that gate's shut, Joey.
Joey, close the gate. Close it. Go, guys.
There you go. Good job.
Okay, let's go, guys. Wait. Mommy, can I bring it?
Yes. Go that way. Good.
Done.
No, you can bring it.
No, I already drank it.
Dude.
Where's Alex? Let's go.
Alex is at the...
What's the matter, Alex?
What's the matter?
No, I'm not. You are. I need gloves.
Why? Why do you need gloves? What's happening? What happened?
Hey guys, listen. It's none of your business for Mother's talking to her.
Okay.
So you leave her alone.
Okay. Shall we go this way or that way? This way. Okay.
Hey guys, come over this way. Come over here. Let her have a conversation.
Joey, you okay?
You alright, buddy?
Fine, then I have to get up this way. My hands are already in pain from those monkey bars. And I